When your boiler stops working, your home can quickly lose the warmth you depend on. Strange sounds, inconsistent heat, or no heat at all are signs your boiler needs immediate attention. That's why homeowners in Paoli, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for fast, reliable boiler repair. Our experienced technicians quickly diagnose the issue and identify the most effective solution. From faulty parts to pressure issues and circulation problems, we handle a wide range of boiler repairs with precision. We ensure your system is restored safely and operating efficiently. In no time, your home is warm, comfortable, and back to normal. Reliable heat means peace of mind during Pennsylvania's coldest days. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we provide honest recommendations and dependable service you can trust. Don't wait in the cold. Get your boiler repaired today. What are common signs my boiler needs repair? Signs include lack of heat, unusual noises, water leaks, low pressure, inconsistent temperatures, and rising energy bills. How quickly should I schedule boiler repair? Boiler issues should be addressed immediately to prevent further damage and ensure safe operation, especially during colder months. Can boiler repair improve energy efficiency? Yes. Fixing faulty components and optimizing performance helps reduce energy consumption and lower heating costs. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road No. 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.